Yar kyatum harabinake wa blackheads hayanjo, surf tum dektaho, likin lugtahay, puri dunia notis karahihai. You've scrubbed, you've squeezed, you've bought every pore minimizing product the pharmacy shelves had to offer. And still, wahi blackheads, wahi clogged pores, wahi frustration. Here's what no one told you. You're not failing your skin. Your routine is failing you. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Korean deep pore cleansing method. The one that estheticians in Seoul charge thousands for. Broken down into simple, affordable steps that actually work for our skin, our climate, our budget. Orhan, yesab ASMR main hoga. So settle in, grab your headphones, and let's fix this once and for all. Okay, let me tell you what's actually happening inside your pores. Imagine your pore is like a tiny drainage pipe. Your skin naturally produces oil, called sebum, to keep itself moisturized. In an ideal world, that oil flows up, out, and away. Smooth, clean. Clear lemon juice on your face, especially in the sun, will give you a chemical burn before it ever clears a pore. The acid is too harsh, it's unpredictable, and it can leave hyperpigmentation that takes years to fade on our melanin-rich skin tones. So, what does actually work? Let me show you. Step. The Mutin, step-by-step Step 1, oil cleans. The first cleanse Step 1 is where most people skip, and it's the most important one. We start with an oil cleanser. And I know, oil on my already oily skin. Yes. Very serious. Here's why sebum is oil and the golden rule of chemistry, like dissolves like. An oil cleanser will pull that oxidized sebum out of your pore from the inside in a way that no foaming wash ever can. What to do? Pump 2-3 drops of oil cleanser onto completely dry hands. Apply to a completely dry face, massage in slow circular motions for a full 60 seconds, especially around your nose, chin, and forehead. Timing 60 seconds minimum. Set a timer. Don't rush this. What to look for? Ingredients like rice bran oil, jojoba oil, or mineral oil base. These are non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog your pores further. International picks: Heimish All Clean Balm, Vanilla Co Clean at Zero Local Affordable, Neutrogena Deep Clean Oil, or even pure coconut oil mixed with a tiny drop of castor oil is a DIY option. Pro tip: box on screen, massagerize skin only. Adding water too early prevents the oil from bonding properly with pore debris. Common mistake: adding water too soon or applying on wet skin. This emulsifies the product before it can do its job. Stay dry until you're done massaging. Step 2. Foam cleans. The second cleanse after your oil cleanse. We emulsify with water. You'll see it turn milky, then rinse, and immediately go in with a gentle foaming cleanser for the second cleanse. This removes anything the oil cleanser lifted to the surface, plus any remaining sweat, residue, or environmental buildup. What to do? Work a small amount into a foam and apply to damp skin. Gentle upward circular strokes. Rinse with lukewarm water, never hot. Timing 30-45 seconds. What to look for? Low pH formula, around pH 5, 5.5. Look for Centella asiatica green tea extract or ceramides in the ingredients. International picks: Cork's Low pH Good Morning Cleanser, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser Local, Dermaco Salicylic Acid Face Wash, Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. Pro tip: box on screen. Hot water opens pores, but it also strips your skin barrier. Lukewarm is the sweet spot. Common mistake: using a high pH soap-based cleanser that leaves your skin feeling squeaky clean. That tightness is your skin barrier being damaged, not cleanliness. Step 3. Steam prep. Open sesame. This is the step that makes everything that follows work 10 times better. Picture this: you're trying to unclog a drain. Do you pour the solution in cold, or do you run hot water first to loosen everything up? Steam is your skin's warm water prep. What to do? Lean over a bowl of hot, not boiling water with a clean towel draped over your head, or use a facial steamer directly. Keep your face 25-30 centimeters from the steam source. Affordable alternative: agar steamer nahi hai to garam pani ka tub bilkul thik hai, but add a chamomile tea bag or green tea bag to the water for added anti-inflammatory benefit. Pro tip: box on screen. Limit steam to 3 minutes. Rosacea: skip steam entirely and move to step 4. Common mistake: skipping this step and going straight to exfoliation. Without steam, your pores are closed. Your exfoliant is working on the surface only, not inside the follicle. Step 4. BHA exfoliation, the pore purger. This is the hero step. This is where the actual blackhead removal happens, chemically, gently, and effectively. We're using a BHA beta-hydroxy acid, specifically salicylic acid. BHA is oil-soluble. That means it can actually travel down into the pore, past the oil, and dissolve the debris from the inside out. It is the only exfoliant clinically proven to penetrate the follicle. Arya wo nahi hai jotum squeeze karke karte ho. No pain, no marks, just chemistry doing its thing. What to do? After patting your face, gently dry post-steam, apply a BHA product using a cotton pad or your fingertips. Focus on blackhead prone zones, nose, chin, forehead. Timing: apply and leave on for 10-15 minutes. Do not wash off. What to look for? Products with 1%, 2% salicylic acid. Start at 1% if you're new to acids. International picks: Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant, Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid Local Affordable. The Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Serum, the Dermaco 1% Salicylic Acid Serum. Pro tip: box on screen. Start with BHA only 2x a week. Daily use is too aggressive for beginners and will trigger dryness and irritation. Common mistake: layering BHA immediately with other actives like niacinamide or vitamin C. Give BHA its own window to work, don't mix actives in the same. Sensitive skin note. If salicylic acid tingles more than slightly, dilute your routine. Use it on top of your moisturizer instead of directly on bare skin. This buffering technique reduces intensity without eliminating benefits. Step 5, clay mask, the deep drawer, and now, the most satisfying part, the clay mask. Clay is one of the oldest skincare ingredients in the world. Our daddies and nannies knew it as multani mitti. Korean skincare knows it as kaolin and bentonite. And science knows it as one of the most effective absorbents ever studied. Clay works by drawing excess sebum and surface-level debris out of the pore through a physical adsorption process. After BHA has loosened everything chemically, clay pulls it up and out. What to do? Apply a thin, even layer of clay mask over your T-zone or full face. Let it sit until it's about 80% dry, not completely cracked. Timing 10-12 minutes. Remove with a warm, damp muslin cloth using gentle downward motions. International picks: Innisfree Supervolcanic Pore Clay Mask, Origins Clear Improvement Mask, local, affordable. Multani Mitti Plus Rose Water Paste. This is genuinely one of the most effective and affordable clay masks you can make at home. Mix to a smooth paste, apply, leave for 10 mins, rinse gently. Pro tip box on screen: don't let clay dry completely, it starts pulling moisture from your skin once all the sebum is drawn out. 80% dry sweet spot. Common mistake: leaving the mask on too long or using it daily. This leads to over-drying and can actually signal your skin to produce more oil to compensate, triggering more blackheads. After removal, immediately apply your hydrating toner, tap it in gently with your palms, then lock it in with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Finish with SPF in the morning. Always. Non-negotiable. The don't panic segment, okay? Real talk, the first week you might purge, your skin might look slightly worse before it gets better, a few new bumps might appear. That is not a failure, that is your skin pushing out debris that was already trapped deep in the follicle. BHA accelerated that process. It's a good sign, it means the product is working. What you should not see: severe redness, burning, peeling, or breakouts in areas that have never been acne prone. If that happens, reduce frequency immediately and consult a dermatologist. Realistic timeline? Give this routine 4 to 6 weeks. Consistent, twice a week BHA and clay mask, daily double cleanse. Yar, skin investment high, or investments take time. Patience, Caro. Thank you for watching.